Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pork pickle at home, only way. First, trim and score the pork, then dissolve salt and sugar in vinegar and water to make a balanced brine. Add bay, peppercorns, and your favorite spices, then submerge the meat fully in a non-reactive container. Wait the pork to keep it submerged, refrigerate for the recommended time, and taste as it mellows into a bright, savory pickle. Mixing a reliable brine is where good pork pickle starts, so be precise but relaxed. Combine vinegar, water, and salt at the right ratio, then add sugar and aromatics like bay leaf and peppercorns. Heat briefly to dissolve solids and bloom spices, then cool completely before adding pork to prevent partial cooking. Taste a cooled sample and adjust sweetness or tang to match your preference before proceeding to submerge the meat. If you're finding this helpful, please hit subscribe and like so you don't miss tips and future tutorials. Quick recommendation: check out Socks Life's Too Short for Cheap Socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, perfect for kitchen prep and long days cooking. I've dropped a link and other deals in the description for easy access, and it helps the channel when you use those links. Now let's get back to the video. Pickling time is flexible, so monitor texture and flavor as your pork transforms. Place pork in the cooled brine, ensuring full coverage, and refrigerate between 34 degrees F and 38 degrees F to keep it safe. Start tasting after 24 hours and continue until you hit the brightness and texture you like. Then remove, rinse lightly, and dry before serving or aging briefly. This method gives consistent tang and tender bite every time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.